Good day. My name is Mutu Adeshokon. Welcome to another episode of Uprise Forex. Today we're going to be talking about how to draw support and resistance the professional way. How have you guys been doing? It's good to be back again to another session of this new video. New week, new goal, and new positive mindset, guys. So this morning, let's get to business. I'm going to be showing you guys how we draw support and resistance the right way. A lot of people been drawing support and resistance with a line. Support and resistance is a zone and it's a level. It's an important level where you mark your previous level where price has reached or come to in the past and where price has actually moved away from in the past. So when you are trading support and resistance, you have to trade it the right way and you have to trade it in a way that it's going to be beneficial to you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw support and resistance using your square shape instead of using the tiny horizontal line. So stay with me while we go into this process together. So guys, this is pound USD currency pairs. So what I normally do is before I draw out my lines or my zones, my support and resistance zones, I usually start from the top-down analysis, which is from the monthly time frame, and to the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame. Because when you're marking your support and resistance level, guys, it's an important level, guys, and you have to start from the higher level, the higher time frame, because the higher time frame is so powerful compared to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour, the 5 minute time frame, or the 15-minute time frame. Those time frames are noisy. They are not the actual right time frame for you to plot your support and resistance zones or levels. So in this video, we're going to start with the monthly time frame on drawing our support and resistance zones. So this is how we do it. So when you zoom out, first of all, you want to see what price has been doing in the past and where are the likely area that price is like, where are the areas that price is likely to reverse from when price gets to that level. So this is support, this is pound dollar, like I said. So we zoom out and we can see some of the levels that we can see here at this level here. So we usually use the monthly time frame for price direction. So monthly time frame is the time frame that tells us what is price doing. Are we in a higher, are we in a downtrend, or are we in an uptrend? Is market ranging or it's a moving? So in this situation, or in this video, you can see that currently on the monthly time frame here, price is kind of more or less like in a range on the monthly time frame. So that was the previous swing level we've seen. And if you come down here and plot this level again, you can see another level here too. So this shows us that pound dollar is in a range. But imagine like if we have drawn this in a lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame or the 15-minute time frame, you wouldn't even know. You see how it looks when you draw this on the 15-minute time. It's so noisy, it's so confusing that you can't even see it. But on the monthly time frame, you can actually see how that level, just how it looks like, which is this. So now that we've drawn our support and resistance zone on the monthly time frame, so let's go to the weekly time frame and adjust this level and see this. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see if there's any adjustment that we can do on this level that we've just marked. So on the weekly time frame, you can see this is the weekly time frame of pound dollar, and we can see that the level still marked are still accurate and it's still clean and it's not that noisy. So now we come to the weekly time frame to fine tune this and make sure that our levels are properly aligned. You know what I'm saying? So this is the same level we have on the monthly time frame. And as we can see that pound on the weekly time frame is in an uptrend. So another swing level we can see here is this. So all we have to do is clone this level and come back here and put this here. This is another way that we should, okay, price has also be in this level area. We look to the past and we can see that this level, it's not a joke. You can see in the past, price has also retested this level several times here, like you can see. So we can see this is another important level to mark our zones. See, so we just plot that level there. So let's see another area. Okay, we've seen this. We can see the recent swing high here. You can see to the left, you can see. When I zoom out, you can see this level touches here, several touches, support, 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 resistance, resistance, now resistance. As soon as price got to that level, we can see price broke out from that level. So now you can see this level has acted as support in the past as well. Support, support, resistance. So now what we have to do is, so we can as well remove this so in order to avoid too much of lines. So now let's go to the daily time frame and see what is going on. So on the daily time frame, this is what is actually going on. You can see how the lines are accurate. You can see how the zones are fit, support, resistance, support, now support. So on the daily time frame, previously, we can see that price was in the uptrend, like so, the trend line, and price broke that trend line from here, retested, then came back to the previous support level, which is here as well. You can see support, support. So now price is heading back up again, maybe probably to this swing high. But don't forget, guys, there's a level here too that we need to take note of here, which is the neckline. This is the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, because this level has acted as inverse head and shoulder in the past, head, left, and the right shoulder. So we're going to be looking for this level for take profit, because that's probably where price is heading to based on what we can see right now. So this is like a minor zone, but it's a very important zone as well, because we can see that price has rejected this level in the past. So another level we can see is this level here on the daily time frame, which is this one. If we clone this, probably going to see it. Let me use another color for this one here. So on this level, we can see that price has acted as resistance here in the past. If we trace it back to history, we can see to the left, you see support, support, resistance, 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 support. So now this is another important minor level too that we need to watch out for. So on this level, so let's remove this one since we don't need it, because this is what we are dealing with right now. So now let's see how or what price is actually doing here. Okay. So on this level now, we can see this level has acted as support, resistance, resistance, support, support. Now price came and break this level. Now, probably this is next level that we projected that price is going to probably go to. And another thing again is it, so you can see how our support and resistance, it's so clean. So it's better that me using a line chart, a line, horizontal line, just like this one alone, like you see how I use the horizontal line here. You can see that it didn't really capture every swing level, all these wicks. You can see we can have some levels here that didn't really touch, because if I have to put this here, we're going to be missing some other parts, which is resistance. You can see all the wicks that shows above. So another way we can do that is by doing this, bringing this zone up to that level. We'll clone this, then we'll bring it to this level. Okay, so that it covers almost that level entirely. So you can see now that I just removed that level, that horizontal line, you can see how the rectangular shape, the rectangle shape makes sense a lot, how clean it is. So it kind of covers a lot of these areas. So instead of just using the horizontal level, who doesn't cover everything. So you can see that this rectangle shape kind of covers the whole area, resistance, 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 support now here. So that shows a lot for us, and that gives us more um, clean charts about what we should be expecting when price get to that level. So it's better, you can see how clean my chart is. It's better than using a horizontal line, and you can see how neatly and nicely it looks. And so, and almost everywhere are all covered nicely and neatly in this chart. So this is why I prefer to use the rectangle shape to draw my zones, because it covers this all compared to if I have to use the horizontal line. So this is how it's been done. And if you want to clean chart and if you want uh, trade the right way, this is how you should be drawing or plotting your support and resistance level, so that you know that this is not just a single level. So once price get to up this level, excuse me, guys, you definitely gonna understand that once price get to this level, it's an important level, and everywhere is covered. So you don't just have one single line, but you have a whole body that just shows you that this is an important level. So once price get to this level, you should be expecting either for price to drop or for price to go higher. So this is the what I want to show you guys in this short video on how to draw support and resistance. So if you like it, kindly like if you like what I just shared with you, kindly like, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I come online and post new videos, you're going to be the first person to see my video. So I really appreciate you guys paying attention for this clip. If you have a question, kindly leave me a message when I come online. And next, then I'll be able to reply your messages of any kind of message you want to ask about how to draw support and resistance the professional way. This is how you do it, guys. It's a support and resistance should be treated as a zone, as a level. It's not a line. Because if I have to give you some exact example, look at this level, for example, guys. Look at below this level. You see, I put my support and resistance with a horizontal line. You can see that a lot of levels were left out. You can see those wicks, they were left out. But if I use the rectangle shape, which is this one here, I clone it, I put it here. You see how nicely it just covers everything here. You see? So this is the reason why I say it's always good when you use the rectangle shape to draw your levels or your zones when you are trading support and resistance. So till I see you some other time, guys, stay blessed and have a blessed day. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.